typical overhead traveling crane is commonly found doing this hard work. All the crane movements need to be in perfect control. Our range of ACS 880 drives have crane control built in. Everything is designed so you can move your load safely, quickly, and efficiently. They control the trolley, hoist, and long travel. Anti-sway control calculates and automatically compensates for the sway in both trolley and long travel movements, eliminating any sway from the pendulum effect created when hoisting heavy loads, without the need for external anti-sway sensors. This makes the operator's work more productive and safe. When the crane has two hoists, both hooks need to move with synchronized precision. This is done with the master-follower setup, where several drives are interlinked, with one of the drives operating as the master to the other follower drives. The shaft synchro function is what synchronizes the movement of multiple hooks when the drives are in the master-follower mode. A motor encoder monitors the motor speed and position. The master and the follower encoder positions are compared, and then their movements are synchronized. No matter how your operators prefer to control your crane, the ACS 880 drive has extensive input or output options that let you connect to a joystick, wireless remote, and pendant controllers. It also supports all common fieldbus protocols as communication options. Safety is also covered comprehensively. You are able to add in more functional safety with the Safety Functions module integrated into the ACS 880. It's the simplest and most cost-effective way to achieve SIL3 or PLE safety levels. You can easily load all drive software and perimeter settings from a removable memory unit for easy setup and commissioning. For safety, performance, efficiency, and speed,